In this Part 2 video we will start with shipping categories. When you click on the shipping category you'll see all the shipping categories that you have defined. Shipping categories are used to address special shipping needs for one or more of your products. The most common use for shipping categories is when certain products cannot be shipped in the same box. This is often due to size or material constraints. To create a new shipping category, click on the New Shipping category. Add name. And click Create, and your shipping category will be created. This category will be available as an option when defining new or editing a shipment method. To edit any category, click on Edit and it will take you to the Edit page. And to remove any category simply click on Delete. Now while running a store we have multiple stock locations. This location varies in the product and the quantity they have. And based on the demands of a particular region we might need to move our stock to the appropriate location. To account for this stock transfer, the stock transfers come in handy. Click on Stock Transfers. And here you'll have the history of all the stock movement that took place. You can filter through the records using the search option. Here you have 3 filters: reference contains, source and destination. These will filter the results and narrow your search. To register a new stock transfer, click on the New Stock Transfer. Add reference, this is an optional field. Click Check if you are receiving the stock instead of a stock transfer. Select source and destination. Select product variant and quantity. Click Add. This way you can add multiple products for stock movement. And then click on Transfer Stock. Your stock transfer is now registered. And the same will be reflected in the stock transfer panel. Also while running a store you may have multiple stock locations. To add these stock location, click Stock Locations. Here you have a list of existing stock locations. To add a new stock location, click the New Stock Location. Add your name, internal name, address, phone, country, and state, and also select the relevant status. And click Create. Your new stock location is created. To make any changes to stock location, click Edit. It'll take you to the Edit page. And to remove any stock location, click Delete. Moving on to Store Credit categories. As we what Store Credit is and how it works in our user panel video. Store Credit categories allow you to create categories under which store credit is credited to the user. To create a new Store Credit category, click on New Store Credit category. Add name. And click Create. And the new Store Credit category will be created and as well as available for selection while crediting store credits. To edit any category click on Edit, which will take you to the Edit page. And to remove any category click on Delete. Moving to Refund Reasons. While operating a store, a user may refund the order for varied reasons. And to categorize these refunds, you can assign reasons under which the refund was made. To add new reasons, click on the New Refund Reason. Add your name. Select whether this reason will be active. If marked active, this reason will be available as an option to be selected while refunding a payment. Click Create, and the reason will be created. To edit any reason you do so by clicking on Edit option. This will take you to the Edit page. Here if you need to deactivate the reason, you can do so through the Edit option. To remove any reason click Delete, and the reason will be deleted. Next, Reimbursement Types. To make it easier for you when you make a reimbursement, there are reimbursement types that help you define what kind of return you did for the customer. To create a new type, click on the New Reimbursement Type. Add your name. Select Type. Here you get 4 options. If you select Credit as type, the reimbursement will be credited to the card payment method. Exchange Type means, you create reimbursement in the form of exchange of an item. Original Payment Type means reimbursement will be made on the original payment method used by the user. Store Credit Type will credit the reimbursement total as store credit. Select your reason. Select whether this type will be active or not, and whether this type will be mutable or not. Click Create and the type will be created. To edit any type, click on Edit, and it will take you to the Edit page. To remove any type, click on Delete and the type will be deleted. Next, Return Authorization Reasons. Again, when operating a store, there are situations where a user might order a wrong product, or there might be an issue with delivery or product sent. To categorize these returns, we create different RMA reasons. To create a new RMA reason, click the new RMA reason. Add name. Select whether it'll be active. And click Create. And your reason will be listed. To edit any reason, click Edit and you will be taken to Edit page. And to remove any category, click Delete and the reason will be deleted. Moving towards to last option, Role. Here you can assign different roles for the users. By default, you have the admin and the user role created. In case you need to add a new role, click on a new role. Add name and create. And the new role is created. By default, you have 2 roles assigned, and in case you need to extend certain access to a specific role, the same needs to be added via the backend development. This brings us to the end of the Part 2 video on Configurations panel in Spree Commerce. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Stay tuned as we will be uploading more videos on other parts of Spree's admin panel. If you have queries about building a Spree Commerce store, visit our website w3villa.com or send an email at contact@w3villa.com.